Hi, I'm Dr. Matangi, Senior Consultant Radiation Oncologist from Gleneagles BGS Hospitals, Bangalore. What is the role of radiotherapy in breast cancer? For example, I'll tell you a small story. Wherever there's a weed, there is a plant which is unwanted, which is going to throw away seeds everywhere. At the same time, going to be probably releasing roots in the area where from the weed is done. Either in the whole breast, whenever there is a chance of getting another tumor there, because you have removed only the lump whenever the breast conservation surgery is done. Or probably if it is bigger and you have removed the entire breast, but the tumor was so big that the roots are left out in the chest wall. So in order to prevent the cancer from coming in the same area or the regional, that is what we call it as loco-regional, either from the chest wall or from your armpit region or your neck region, we call it as supraclav region, we generally give radiation. Radiation is nothing but simple X-ray therapy. It's a very, very simple, like you take your CT scan or chest X-ray. It is completely painful and we just show the X-rays to these areas little by little every day, and for probably 3 to 4 weeks depending upon whether you have got your breast removed or your breast is intact. So every breast cancer patient, if only the lump is removed, radiation is must. Simplified, if you want to preserve your breast, radiation should be given, but in a locally advanced, means a lump is bigger than orange or little Mosambhi size, then obviously the roots would have been there. So you need, in spite of removing the breast, you need radiation. Or if you had a node in your armpit area positive after the dissection, you need radiation to the chest wall as well as to the neck region so that the seeds are prevented from coming back. So basically, radiotherapy has an adjuvant role. What is called adjuvant role? After the surgery to prevent it from coming back. Simplified. So that is one. Second thing, wherever it is a palliative. For example, you have become stage 4, but somewhere it is creating pain in your bone or somewhere it is creating nerve compression. Whenever it is needed, local radiation is given. Now, there is something new that is coming up, even if you are stage 4, but if your metastasis is less than the total count of 5 in number in your entire body, we can give something called SBRT, called a stereotactic body radiotherapy, and kill with a very high killing dose to all these metastatic lesions, and the intent becomes from palliative to intent to cure. Yes, we are talking something about cure and giving radiation. Radiation makes it possible because bones cannot be removed. Big lung surgeries cannot be done because we cannot stop your chemotherapy and other things. So instead of doing metastatectomy and surgery to remove many things, we just give radiation, continue your chemotherapy, and probably we will try to cure and not just wash it away saying it is palliative. Thank you.
Medicine Made Simple. Powered by Gleneagles Hospitals, where good people make you feel better.